I'm Amy and I'm from In Good Company. I started this business about 9 years ago, and the reason I started was because I was working in a chartered accounting practice and I felt that people needed more month-to-month support, and the reason why I created In Good Company was to work alongside businesses and take them on a journey with their numbers where they could understand their businesses better. So it was kind of a two-pronged pain point for me, where there was pain in terms of the amount of time that I was spending creating spreadsheets, but equally there was a pain at the other side, which was the salespeople who were waiting for my spreadsheets. So what I was able to do with Lancom was to create a Power BI dashboard to kind of speed things up and get salespeople live data, which is obviously really important. So for my customers, it meant that they could get the data live and quickly. The reason why I chose Lancom to support me in delivering this dashboard to my customers was they quickly understood what it was that I was trying to achieve. The whole team, right from the GM through to the developers, were really clear and the communication was fantastic, and we're able to make sure that I could get it to the customers in an easy platform. The benefits for In Good Company were that we were able to provide data to our customers without having to actually create a spreadsheet. And for the customers, that obviously means that they get live data that they know is accurate and easy to read. Power BI dashboards are a lot more user-friendly to look at than an Excel spreadsheet. Lancom has been a great partner for me. They are creators and they're talented people who know how to communicate in a way that I can understand, and they always deliver on what they say they're going to deliver.